How to delete cover photo in Facebook Lite. So if you want to delete or remove the cover photo in Facebook Lite, then first you need to open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you open up your Facebook Lite, now you just need to simply go with the profile or the upper right, which has that three-bat icon, and then tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile here, you will have the cover photo, right? So you can simply directly tap on the cover photo, and then you can simply tap on see cover photo and go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you may have a delete option and you can delete the cover photo. But if you don't have that option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply scroll down and then tap on photos section. Under photos here, you will have profile photos, cover photos, timeline photos, mobile updates, uploads, and everything, right? So you just need to simply go with cover photos, and here you will have the cover photo. So simply choose the cover photo that you would like to delete, go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on delete. And once you tap on delete, your cover photo will be removed. So that's how you can delete your cover photo in your Facebook Lite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.